It's time. It's time. It's time. Nature Talk episode 12. Purpose. 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 As you can see, I'm back in my spot. This is where I come for solitude. I come to think. I come to just enjoy the lake or river, whatever this is. This is my third nature talk doing this at this particular spot. But I want to talk about purpose. And this goes hand in hand with my Nature Talk episode 1, where I talked about legacy. And I might have talked about this in another video as well, but I can never get tired of talking about purpose, because we all have a starting date and we all have an ending date. What we do in between is what counts and what matters. Purpose is pretty much your reason, your why for doing something. And like I said, I might have talked about this in one of my previous videos, but I'm going to talk about it again because it's very important. And I'm going to talk about me. My purpose is to motivate and encourage as many people as possible on this earth to be the best version and the greatest version of themselves. What's your purpose? How do you find your purpose? Your purpose will come natural to you. Your purpose will come from you trying different things. Your purpose will come when you would do it for free. I enjoy doing these YouTube videos. I really do. And I'd be lying if I said I wouldn't want to earn a living doing what I love doing, and that's motivate and encourage people to be the best version of themselves. It brings me so much joy when somebody posts a comment or says they really needed that message, or they thumb it up, they thumb my videos up, and just saying views itself, it gives me joy and it gives me the motivation to keep going. Whether I have 40 subscribers or 400 subscribers or 4,000 subscribers, I would do this for free. And see, that's one thing I don't want to get caught up in, is the whole money and, monetization and things like that. I want to stick to my purpose, and my purpose is to motivate and encourage you to be the best version of yourself. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, because that's my purpose. If you don't know your purpose today, it's okay. You will find it. Look at that person canoeing. Look at that person canoeing. You'll find it. There go another person canoeing. I think it's probably like 3 of them. But anyway, I digress. You'll find your purpose eventually. But that's what keeps you going. You got teachers, you got professors that are in their 80s, 70s, even 90s. They still teach because they love doing what they do. They love teaching. Find what you love to do to help change the world for the better. Money is not enough for me. Purpose is what's enough for me. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week. And until next time, it's time. Find your purpose today. Find your purpose today. Find your purpose today. Take it one day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 year at a time. And that's a lifetime. Enjoy your day. Team Positive.